Well, that did not work. The ply was working too much against the flatness of the table saw bed. But I went ahead and did some practice cuts on the other side of the curved cuts to make sure that I can actually pull this off. If you are new to my channel, I do a lot of curve cuts because you can take inexpensive materials such as plywood into interesting shapes by folding and curving. Curve cut is a function of thickness of the material and the thickness of the blade. In this case, 10 cuts equal 90-degree geometry. This is the overall design for the curve cuts and tracing from the template. So this time I went back to the track saw because curve cuts will conform to the thickness of the material, unlike table saw. Alright, this is the notch where top and the bottom lid will sit on. Flipping to the other side, creating this angle pattern where the light's going to spill out. I'm going down only 1/8 of an inch. Here I am skipping the intersection cuts because I don't want the final layer of the plywood to delaminate. Okay, so this is something that I've learned. You only want to get the final layer wet. If you have too much water in the plywood, it can cause warpage and delamination. Remember this notch that I made? That I made? I forgot about it. And Makerspun, you just do it again. Finish options, we have tung oil and pine oil, which dries very clear and nice. Pure tung oil is all natural, it's good stuff, but it takes forever to dry. And last option is Danish oil. This might be a bit too dark for this application, but we'll see. So the sample here looks very wet, but after drying, I think I'm gonna go with half and half. It's very clear.